Well, guess what I caught on the news this morning? The world's first 3D printed rocket. It's called Terran 1 or GLHF. Good luck, have fun. Of course it is. It's scheduled to launch today, as of this recording, from Cape Canaveral, Florida. 1,300 hours, that would be 1 p.m., I think. I'm still waking up. The launch of Terran 1 is the first orbital attempt by a company called Relativity Space and will not include a customer payload. Two-stage launch, 110 feet tall. There's some more specs here. Let me scroll down. Looks like a two-stage rocket. And I used to live in Florida. This is quite a complex. A 3D printed rocket. I think that's amazing. Scheduled to launch again today. I think you should be able to catch this on... to get the best view of Terran's first launch, join Relativity's live stream on YouTube. Again, this is scheduled for today, Eastern Time, around 1 p.m. from Florida. Don't know if I got a chance to watch this, but wow. 3D printed rocket. Now, I wonder if they can do me like a 3D printed computer, chair, bigger screen. I think that would be so cool.